Alright guys, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today I'm going to be building a deck in Yu-Gi-Oh Master Duel, and it's going to be themed around Gate Guardian. So the first thing we're going to need is obviously Gate Guardian, so let me get that. This video is mostly for people who watched my last video and don't want to build one off an archetype but themed around a certain card. As you're about to read on the effect, it can't be normal summoned or set, and it must be special summoned by attributing 3 monsters that are listed on the card. This isn't the most powerful card theme, but it's certainly very fun. Now to add the 3 monsters listed on the card. As you can see on each card, the effect reads, once while face up on the field during your opponent's turn in damage calculation, if this card is being attacked, quick effect, you can target the attacking monster and make its attack 0 during damage calculation only. We can add Arsenal Summoner because that will allow us to get Gate Guardian out of our deck. Now to add some filler cards such as Marshmelon, Cauldron of the Old Man, and Regekai. I've also added Jar of Greed, which is different than Pot of Greed because it's a trap card. Also, it only draws 1 card, unlike Pot of Greed, which draws 2. It's also allowed and not forbidden card. Remember to always check if there are related cards to your powerful monsters. For instance, Marshmelon can't be destroyed by battle, and Marshmelon glasses makes it so they can only attack Marshmelon. However, I have a different plan for this. And as you can see, Jar Turtle practically turns Jar of Greed into Pot of Greed. Personally, I'm not too worried about it. Currently, we are only at 16 cards, so this is an issue. So I decided to search through cards and try to find something that would work well. This is when I decided to get Egyptian God Slime into my deck because I realized it would work really well with this deck. I did not just misspell Egyptian, I promise.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
When this card is face up on the field, it's the only card that can be targeted with attacks. And of course, adding cards that go with it. We officially have 21 cards in our main deck. Here I try to find some more cards that let me draw. Then we can add Destiny Hero Defender because it has 2700 defense. Naturion monsters also help me with drawing. We are currently lacking in warrior support cards, especially considering that Gate Guardian is a warrior. Then I looked for a card that might allow me to add my Senga to my hand. I also added Labyrinth. Then I got confused because the other Labyrinth card wasn't showing up, so I checked Forbiddens, and it's not forbidden. So instead, I decided to click Show Related Cards. I also added 3 Wall Shadows. Then I searched around for warrior related cards that helps out my warrior, and the Thunder for my Senga. Then I searched for my own cards and found some 4-star monsters that I had that had high attack and defense, because I needed to get some filler cards. Here's some footage of me playing with the deck.